Duma Kalushe lives in this one-room shack. He's been waiting for the South African government to provide decent accommodation since 1996. He blames government corruption and the ruling ANC party for not getting it. He's also awaiting the outcome of a corruption case involving the president. It's estimated more than $15 million of taxpayers' money was spent upgrading Jacob Zuma's private residence.
He must pay back the money, with or without fear or favor. Even if I could tell him straight up to his face, I'll say, Baba, this is not your money. It is the people's money.
A constitutional court will hold a hearing on Tuesday to determine whether Zuma will have to pay back the money. South Africa's public protector, Thuli Madonsela, says upgrades made to President Jacob Zuma's private residence in Nkandla were unethical and unnecessary. Some of those upgrades include a swimming pool and amphitheater. Last week, Zuma offered to repay a portion of the money, but he wants the Auditor General and Finance Minister to determine the amount. Opposition parties say that's not good enough. For them, Tuesday's court appearance is about fighting corruption.
White supremacists are happy that this country is falling apart in the hands of black people, and we're not going to allow Zuma to make us another black failure, another failed African state.
For the legal experts, it's about respecting the Office of the Public Protector, an independent body that's meant to keep the government in check, even the president.
It really raises very significant issues of accountability, how the president is accountable to the state and to the nation, using public funds for private purposes.
The police minister cleared President Zuma of any wrongdoing, saying all the work done to his home is necessary for his protection.
We will await the outcome of the case, and then anything from then will then be considered by the presidency and the ANC moving forward.
But poor South Africans like Zuma feel politicians often get away with corruption here. He hopes this time things will be different. Harumutasa, Al Jazeera, Johannesburg.